Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can clear the FreeCAD cache with the help of a Python command. In FreeCAD there are the number of factors which are responsible to increase your cache sizes, like the complex geometry and features, undo and redo history, and rendering data, as well as open cascade technology underlying the geometry engine cache operation and shape to be speed up rebuild times when you modify model parameters. So these are the factors which increase your cache size. We will use the Python command to clear it. So move to the Python console, and if Python console is not active, you can activate it from here. And here we will use the Python command. So first thing is to import FreeCAD. Type import FreeCAD, press enter, and type print FreeCAD dot. Now the one small window will open, and keep typing get user So here directly select from here get user cache path, and bracket opening and closing, and one more bracket, and press enter. So once you run this command, you will see the path of your cache where it is located. Copy it, and if you are using the window, then go to the file explorer. So here I will directly paste it. So here you can see that window cannot find this path. So let's go to the few step back, like to go to your local, press enter, and here my hidden file setting is on. So you must on the hidden file setting, show hidden files and folders, then go to the FreeCAD, then go to the cache, then go to the data. So these are the my cache. I have just clear it. So you will find all your cache here. Delete those files and increase the performance of your FreeCAD. So you can also copy this command in a notepad, so that you have not to type this command every time. You have to just paste it and locate the folders and clear your cache. So this tutorial is for the beginner user to get some of the basic Python command in a FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.